everyone, welcome back to Outgrowth Health Women's Clinic. Today I'm here with Kenta, one of our registered nurses who has helped women in the community for years, pregnant women, also doing ultrasounds here and even training nurses in the local area. And Kenta, you know that we get calls from women who are thinking they may be experiencing their first pregnancy, and they will say, I've had some light bleeding. Is that my period, or could I be pregnant?
Yes, that is a common question. Oftentimes there's something called implantation bleeding that occurs, and it happens right at the same time you'd expect your period to be starting. So it can be very confusing and difficult to determine between that implantation bleeding or the period.
Okay, and what would that look like, Kenta?
So implantation bleeding is pretty different from your normal period in that implantation bleeding, it only lasts for about 3 days at the most, or you may only have it for a couple of hours, but it's much lighter. Just a couple of spots maybe on your panty liner that you only have to change like once or twice during the day. Or maybe when you go to the restroom, you might notice a little bit of bright pink blood, or maybe even some dark rust-colored blood on the tissue. So it's not going to be a typical heavy flow.
Okay, you use the word implantation bleeding, and we talk about that a lot around here in a medical clinic, but for women who might not be familiar with that, what does that mean?
So that occurs when the fertilized egg, the embryo, is burrowing into the uterus. It's got to kind of dig down in there, and when it does that, it can disrupt the blood vessels in the uterus and cause some light spotting.
That's really good information, Kenta. And for women who call, normally they are fearful. So it's nice to have information so they can know what's going on in their bodies.
Yes.
And today, as always, we are a camera, a clinic, and a question. And this week, the question comes to you, Kenta. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
For the woman that says, how can I know for sure if it is a light period or a pregnancy? What do you say to her?
I would say that taking a pregnancy test is going to be the first step.
Okay.
So that can help you determine between the two, and then if it's positive, then you give us a call.
Right.
Yes.
And so especially for women who are saying, I don't want to be pregnant and I'm fearful and I need to make a decision and discuss my options and figure out what I'm going to do, we would say, take that pregnancy test, then make us your first call. We will give you another lab-grade pregnancy test, assess you for an ultrasound so you can know exactly what's going on in your body, so you can have all the information you need to make a wise decision. And the best part, all of our services are free. Everything free here, so you don't have to worry about paying for any of those services. Thank you so much. If you're interested in an appointment, on the end of our video, we will have our website. Go to the website and request an appointment, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. We really look forward to seeing you soon. Have a good day. Bye.